Hey guys, it is, what time is it? 10:13.
I've been up since 11:30, or not 11, 7:30.
Yeah, you woke me up because I slept with you last night. We're getting ready. We're about to go to the gym, shoot a little bit, come back, do some laundry, clean up.
Hannah hasn't really done much yet, but I had breakfast.
Yeah, oh, I thought you meant yeah. I woke up at like 8:30, 8:45. I sat in bed though.
No! You woke up probably about 9:45.
No! Literally check my text messages.
I will check them.
I already sent a good morning message. I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
I'm leaving. Because I
We
leave
need
tomorrow.
to wake up Lauren so she can go.
Yeah, we gotta wake up Lauren and Whitney. There's Lauren.
Oh! Lauren, we're going to shoot.
What does that mean?
I don't know. See you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, so we are at the gym, but no one is there, even though...
No, we went to, my coach has the keys and I texted her and I said, can I have the keys? And she said, someone else already came and got them and they're at the gym. I was like, okay, so we show up and all the lights are on, like I can see the gym and like all the lights are on and everything, but nobody's car is here. So I'm texting her right now. They aren't here, all the lights.
Lauren is gonna come later in her car. I'll see you guys in the next clip after we get into the gym. Okay guys, so we were in there for about, what, an hour?
No, like 2 hours.
Oh, for like 2 hours. We're in there
I can tell you.
for about 2 hours, and
I think it's an hour.
No, it was 2 hours. It was over 2 hours.
yeah, we went in there for 2 hours. And then we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna get me a planner. Hannah's gonna get her some face wash.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna get some Taco Bell afterwards. But we're trying to be healthy, so we're gonna just gonna drink water. So.
I haven't drank water, anything but water in like 3 days. I'm trying to do a 9-day like cleanse. I heard if you drink water for 9 days, you will immediately see a difference. Or not immediately, you will see a difference after 9 days.
I'm not exactly trying to just drink water, but like drink not Coke.
So drink other things but water.
Yeah,
or like
I only drink.
drink anything but Coke.
Yeah, I only drink water and sweet tea. Mostly, mostly just water though. Guys, so we had a little trouble finding the car. We're like 3 rows off, but we just went to Walmart. That's all.
You said stuff.
No, I'm okay with Taco Bell. I haven't had Taco Bell in a long time.
You haven't had.
So we're gonna go
Well, it's
and
all her basketball shoes.
we're gonna go eat some Taco Bell, and
Stop all that water. I was hoping you wouldn't pan over to.
I will see you guys.
I was taking a Snapchat.
I'll see you guys in the next clip. Probably us eating Taco Bell. Bye. What's going on?
I think she's crying.
I feel like she's leaving him or something. He's like, I love you.
I really hope they get to us. Oh my god, they're gonna make it out again. They're not saying anything.
She's like, I'm pregnant.
They're literally not saying.
She's probably like, I'm pregnant.
They can probably hear us.
He attacked her with
They're
a
not
knife.
saying anything. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay.
Okay, we got our
I don't
food.
think you're gonna kiss again because he put his hat on.
So I'm probably just gonna make a. Oh, I forgot about that clip I just took. But
Oh my god.
I started cracking up.
No. It was
So
100
cringy.
times worse. I don't know if they broke up or what. That was so weird.
I don't think they were breaking up. They were making out. They're like,
But they were like, they didn't say one word to each other. They were like, They didn't say one word.
I'm just gonna make a montage of us eating, and looking like pigs. There we go. Okay,
I
guys.
look like a giraffe.
So we're at the boys' game, watching Tyler, Gracie's boyfriend. I forgot to tell y'all, and I got ready and everything. I took a shower. So I'm gonna spend the night at Gracie's. That's gonna be fun. I'll probably vlog that too, the whole thing, and then
Even though we normally just sit there and do nothing.
yeah, like with something actually happens. Thanks.
Well, we were gonna walk past, and you know how my mom told me that it was free and everything? Because we asked Regina, and she said it's
And the
free.
lady was like,
She was like, excuse me, and I was like, Regina, it's free, right? She goes, yeah.
I know. Well, oh. But I'll probably vlog the whole, not the whole thing, but us hanging out or whatever, a little bit of it, and then edit the next morning, and then get it up at like 4 o'clock or something. I don't know. But I will talk to you guys in the next clip. Bye. Hey guys, so we're gonna make snacks for tonight when we get hungry. We got some Sonic, which is really good. See you guys in the next clip. Bye. Hey guys, now we're making. Oh my gosh! Now we're making.
Way too much.
We're making slime.
Oh, that's working now.
Grace is making slime. We made it green. Hashtag Nickelodeon. So yeah, we did that, and then our muffins came out, and they look pretty legit, guys. They taste really good. Wait, what is this one? What the heck? Oh, there it is. Okay. They're pretty good, so I'm surprised with the outcome because we didn't have enough sugar. I will vlog a little bit of this slime stuff.
I hate this so much.
I love slime. So I don't ever get to make it. Mom doesn't let me.
I hate getting stuff on my hands. I hate it.
Can I do it?
Yeah, but I don't want us both to have messy hands. I'll let you do it in just a second. Hold on. Let me try and get the rest of this. And then I can wash my hands off.
He's having a fun time. Don't worry, guys. Oh no, it's on my phone. sorry, I'm not an excellent vlogger, so.
It was cold.
Yes.
Okay, this is like much better than the slime my brother made.
That's one. Yeah?
Yeah, let me wash my hands off so I can hold the camera.
Okay. Man, don't you love when your best friend knows you so well that she wants to vlog?
I hate ASMR.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be playing with some slime.
Ew.
We're gonna watch 16 Candles. Tyler's still on and probably will be on the whole time. Isn't that right, Tyler?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, pull an all-nighter. My boyfriend couldn't FaceTime. Don't worry about it. We're gonna have to cut to a quick commercial break.
Jenna, we can watch
See
the
you next
Sixth
clip.
Sense.
Hey guys, so this will be the end of the vlog. By the way, this is Judea. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Got me a water because I'm trying to stay healthy.